Hello everyone, my name is Bianca Vincent from Mumbai and I am planning to migrate to Australia. I got to know through research that I need to take an English test for migration purposes. However, there are many English tests after doing research I got to know. One among them is the IELTS English test. However, I had got to know a lot of feedback about the IELTS test from a lot of people saying that it is really difficult and it's difficult to get a very high band score. However, I went against everyone, went with my instincts and booked the IELTS test at a computer generated IELTS test at the Lower Parel branch, Mumbai. After booking the test, I got to know the process through the IELTS website. The process was really seamless and well mentioned. I got familiar with a lot of mock tests and the processes. They even show you how to navigate through the test on the day of the test. So there was a lot of information involved, and the entire process, unlike what a lot of people said, went very, very smoothly. I finally went and gave my computer generated test at the Lower Parel branch in Mumbai and received a band score of 8, which was my requirement for Australian migration. Here I am with my IELTS test result in my hand and I'm already on my way to Australia. There are a lot of tests out there that lack credibility according to me, and you don't want to fall into any trouble after landing in Australia. I am very happy with the entire IELTS process and that my final dream has come true. In the end, I will advise you all not to listen to people around you and go ahead with IELTS. Take the test, fulfill your dream, and see you in Australia. Thank you.